Good morning, YouTubers. It's too damn cold to be making a video today. It's literally 5 degrees in New York State. Ain't nobody got time for that. It's cold. Literally, my water is now ice. This was water 5 minutes ago. What is going on with this weather? Whoever pissed off Mother Nature needs to stop. Just stop right now. Stop what you're doing. Apologize. Go buy her flowers, buy her chocolate, buy her whatever you gotta buy her. But please, just stop pissing her off. Because whatever you did, she's definitely coming back with a vengeance. Whew. I hope everybody's staying warm. Dangerous temperatures outside. I'm not even outside. I'm inside. So I don't know what's going on. It's cold. So stay warm. And like and subscribe. And have a good day, y'all.